Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Discord keeps disconnecting and reconnecting problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, load up the Discord app and we're going to change some app settings. So the first thing you want to do is come into the channel where you're having connection issues, and then you want to join the voice channel. After that, right-click on it and click on the Edit Channel button. Now, if you scroll all the way to the bottom where it says Region Override, this will automatically be set to automatic, but you want to change this to the location based on where the majority of your chat members are located. And then if we scroll back up, you can also change the bitrate number here. Now you can lower it slightly for a better connection if you want. After that, we want to come into User Settings on the bottom left-hand corner. Scroll down and select Voice and Video. Inside it, scroll all the way down, and you want to make sure Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority is disabled. After that, keep scrolling all the way down to where it says Audio Subsystem, and you want to change Standard to Legacy, and then just press OK. Once done, close the Discord app completely. Now, the first thing you want to do is come to the Start menu, search for CMD, and run it as an administrator. Now, inside of this window, you want to type in the following command and hit Enter. Inside it, type in ipconfig//flushdns and then hit Enter. We can then close off of this window. Next, come back to the Start menu, open Settings, access the Network and Internet feature, and then get into the VPN tab. Now you want to make sure that you don't have a VPN connected. Once done, get back one step and access the proxy. Now, also make sure that the proxy is turned off. Once we've checked our VPN settings, we can come out of this and then head over to an internet browser. After that, you want to come to a website called drivereasy.com that is going to allow us to check our computer for any outdated drivers. Here, click on the download button at the top and then install it. Once you've installed Driver Easy, simply launch the app on your computer and then click on this Scan Now button. Once the scan is complete, you'll see all your outdated drivers here. And to update them, you simply need to click on the Update button. If you've tried these steps and you're still experiencing connection issues, the next thing we need to do is change our DNS servers to Google's public DNS servers to improve the stability of your network. For that, head to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Now tap on the Control Panel icon, access Network and Internet, and then access Network and Sharing Center. Inside it, click on the embed that says Change Adaptive Settings, select the network that you're currently using, and then open its properties. Now, a new pop-up window will open up. You just need to select Internet Protocol version 4 and get into its properties. Once done, you want to switch to manual DNS and enter the following digits. Now, the last thing we're going to do is check our firewall settings. We can do that by coming to the Start menu and searching for Windows Defender. Then tap on the Windows Defender icon and in the left-hand side select Allow an app feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to hit the Change Settings button, scroll down and look for Discord in this list. If Discord's listed here, then just make sure both private and public are checked. Otherwise, what you need to do is click on Allow another app, then select Browse, and then you need to find where Discord is located. Then just click on Add, and you should be able to see Discord in this list. So that's basically how you can fix Discord keeps disconnecting and reconnecting problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.